Hello everybody and welcome to Farnborough 2026. I am so excited to be here with you. And just like every air show, you can expect to hear plenty of new stories from Airbus. And we'll be showcasing three themes in particular. The first, how we defend and protect what matters, how we connect the world, and how we inspire the younger generations. And of course, always placing our people and our products at the heart. And to showcase these brilliant stories are with me three fantastic colleagues. So I'm here with Julia, with Paula, and with Pia. So Julia, let's kick off with you. What exciting things are you going to share with us?
Thank you, Julie. We'll take you behind the scenes to show how Airbus is helping protect what matters. Nations, people, or critical infrastructure with military aircraft such as the A400M or our drone portfolio.
We'll show you how Airbus is connecting the world, from the long-range leader A350 to the A321 XLR, which is connecting cities never linked before, and the H160, a next-gen helicopter, servicing offshore platforms, connecting communities, and flying rescue missions.
And don't forget Friday's Public Day. We have some hands-on experiences, such as the H140 virtual reality and the build your own aircraft where you are the engineer. So we want to show here how Airbus is inspiring the next generation.
Thanks a lot, ladies. I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Tell us what you're most looking forward to.